Hi, it's Kylie here for Premiere Fitness, and today we're going to be doing some different floor stretches. We have about 7 that we're going to do, and we're going to hold each one for 10 seconds. So starting, we're going to go on one knee, and you're just going to lunge forward, and hold that for 10 seconds. And we switch, doing the same thing with the other leg. Good. Next, sitting on the floor, one leg straight out, one leg tucked in, reaching all the way for our toe. Switch. Bringing both feet together, reaching all the way for our toes. Bringing one leg up and over, crossing, and pushing away. Switching legs, do the same thing with the other side. The next one, we're going to lay on our back, laying completely flat, bringing one leg up and pulling it towards our chest. And switch. Sitting up, keeping both legs flat, twisting behind. Switching to the other side.